back. We're coming to you from Delhi's LNJP hospital, where just about 35 minutes ago the Prime Minister was meeting with the victims of the attack that took place on the 10th of November, the vicinity of the Red Fort. There have been several people who've been injured in the bomb explosion that took place, which has now been seen as a terror attack and is being investigated as such. And talking a little more about the investigations in this case, the Delhi agencies, of course, have begun the crackdown. Nationwide raids have been seen in various parts of Uttar Pradesh. We've seen raids in the Jammu and Kashmir region, in Shopian, in Kulgam as well today, as the associates of Dr. Omar, the man believed to be behind the wheels of the I-20 car that exploded at 6:50 p.m. on the 10th of November in the vicinity of the Red Fort, is now being looked at. And also white-collar terrorists. Remember, all of those people who are now getting questioned in this case are doctors, practicing doctors who are qualified practitioners and had allegedly hatched this conspiracy. Investigations also claiming that Omar worked closely with two others arrested, Adil and Muzammil, who both in fact were from Kashmir. They ran a terror logistics network suspected to have 9 to 10 members, including 5 to 6 doctors. Agencies are, of course, grilling the lady doctor Shaheen and her brother Parvez Saeed. ATS has made several seizures, several recoveries from their house as well. ATS recovering 6 keypad mobile phones from Parvez Ansari's home, which he used to communicate within Jammu and outside the country. Also recovered a computer, 3 large knives and a heavy dagger from Parvez.
लखनऊ के लालबाग के खंडारी बाजार की इन पतली गलियों तक भी अब आतंक की जांच की आंच आ चुकी है। तमाम लोग अब इन गलियों में चर्चाएं कर रहे हैं कि कौन सही कौन गलत और किस तरीके से नाम खराब हो रहा है गली का, इलाके का और लखनऊ का। बात करने के लिए हमारे साथ कुछ मौलवी हैं। भाई साहब, आप लोग यहाँ पर सालों से रह रहे हैं, एक लंबा दशक आपको रहते हुए यहाँ हो गया, और जिस तरह की खबरें आई हैं शाहीन को लेकर हो, चाहे परवेज़ को लेकर हो, सईद साहब यहाँ बहुत वक्त से रह रहे हैं, आप लोग किस तरीके से देखते हैं?
भाई बता तो रहा हूँ कि यकीन नहीं हो रही है, इतने नेक लोग हैं, यकीन नहीं हो रही है बात। अब क्या हकीकत है वो बेहतर ही अल्लाह बेहतर जानता है। ऐसे कोई बात नहीं है।
सईद भाई जो पीछे रहते हैं उनसे आपका क्या इंटरेक्शन रहा है?
बस नमाजी है, नमाज पढ़ने आते, मोहल्ले के हैं।
आप जानते रहे हैं, परवेज़ भी यहाँ आता रहे हैं?
नहीं, हम लोग देखिए उनके बच्चों को हम लोग नहीं जानते। वो लोग क्योंकि यहाँ कैसे साल से हमने मुलाकात नहीं उनसे, यहाँ दिखते नहीं। जो बच्चा दिखता है उसके बारे में पूछिए, बता देंगे। जो लोग बड़ा लड़का रहता साथ में, उनकी
क्या नाम है?
हम लोग बबलू नाम से जानते हैं उसको। बबलू
शोएब अंसारी।
हाँ, बबलू हम लोग कहते हैं।
किस तरह का नेचर है, क्या है?
बहुत बढ़िया है। अब बाकी जो अगर जो ये कांड हुआ है देश के लिए, अगर हम तो कहेंगे अगर इसमें कोई भी इन्वॉल्व है, सख्त कार्रवाई होना चाहिए कानून के हिसाब से। इसके लिए 1% भी मतलब मुरव्वत नहीं। भाई हम लोग उन लोगों को बता रहे हैं, शाहीन को तो हमें लग रहा है 20 साल से नहीं देखा। परवेज़ को तो कम से कम जब आखिरी बार उसकी शादी हुई जब ही देखा। अब वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, कहाँ जा रहे हैं? डॉक्टर हैं भाई, हम लोग जानते हैं डॉक्टर हैं, किसी हॉस्पिटल में जॉब करते होंगे, इलाज करते होंगे, हम लोग यही तो जानेंगे डॉक्टर का। अब डॉक्टर क्या कर रहा है हम थोड़ा जानते हैं क्या कर रहा है।
मोहम्मद जी, आप ये बताइए कि जिस तरह से प्रक्रिया आप देख रहे हैं शाहीन को लेकर, परवेज़ को लेकर, कल एटीएस की टीम यहाँ पर आई है, क्या कुछ पूछताछ की है?
पूछताछ क्या पूछताछ में यही पूछताछ हुई कि भाई मतलब जो आप पूछ रहे हैं कि आप संपर्क कितने साल से था, कितने टाइम से रहा, भाई यही पूछताछ करी, मतलब जनरल पूछताछ करी, कोई मतलब कोई विशेष मतलब पूछताछ नहीं हुई है।
मोबाइल और हार्ड डिस्क क्या जब्त किया है पुलिस ने?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं। मोबाइल हार्ड डिस्क कोई नहीं गई है, हमारे मोबाइल हमारे पास है।
आपकी बहन है शाहीन, आपने देखा?
हार्ड डिस्क बता रहे हैं तो वो हार्ड डिस्क कौन सी ले गए हैं वो तो मेरे को पता नहीं है भाई।
शाहीन को लेकर आपकी बहन क्योंकि आप लोग साथ में पले बड़े हैं और इस तरह की खबरें जब
इन गतिविधियों में नहीं रहेंगी हमारी बहन बिल्कुल भी ना। भाई हमारा
जैसे मोहम्मद से नाम जोड़ा गया है।
अरे जोड़ने को तो ये जोड़ा गया है, अब मेरे को विश्वास नहीं हो रहा इसका।
आपकी आंखों में मैं आंसू भी देख रहा हूँ। आप
वही आएंगे ना भाई, अब ऐसी बात होगी तो आंखों में आंसू के आदमी रोने भी लगता है।
एटीएस कह रही है कि इन्वॉल्वमेंट मिला है, प्रूफ मिले हैं।
प्रूफ मिले हैं तो वही आप उनसे जाके पूछिए भाई, आपसे क्यों पूछ रहे हैं भाई?
आप लोगों का कभी बातचीत इस तरह का रहा हो परवेज से या शाहीन से? किस तरह के थे, क्या था?
नहीं, शाहीन से तो नहीं था, मगर ये है कि परवेज से टच था हल्का फुल्का, जैसे कि क्योंकि वो हमारे छोटे वाले भाई के साथ पढ़ता भी था इस्लामिया कॉलेज में,
यहीं इस्लामिया के पढ़े हुए?
इस्लामिया पढ़ा हुआ है वो। और कभी जैसे कोई रिपोर्ट डेंगू हो गया, बुखार हो गया, कोई जाँच कराई तो उसकी रिपोर्ट परवेज को हम भेजते थे कि बताओ यार क्या क्या।
दिखा सकते हैं आप हल्का सा मोबाइल में कि किस तरीके से आप लोग चैट करते थे, क्या बातचीत, क्या
चैट नहीं करते थे।
चैट मतलब कि कुछ इलाज को लेकर या इस तरह से चीज़ें?
रिपोर्ट हम ऐसे दिखाते थे उसको, ये देखिए रिपोर्ट ही देखिए, ये रिपोर्ट
अच्छा, ये दिखाइएगा, ऐसे दिखाइएगा एक बार ज़रा, इस तरफ दिखाइएगा। ये देख सकते हैं आप, ये परवेज डॉक्टर के नाम से नंबर सेव है इनके पास, क्योंकि मोहल्ले के लोग हैं तो इन लोग को जैसे कुछ पूछना हुआ तो वो ये सारी चीज़ें परवेज से अपने रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह भेजकर पूछ लेते थे और फिर वापसी पे फ़ोन पर जवाब आ जाता था। ये देख सकते हैं आप, ये इस तरह की डिस्प्ले पिक्चर लगी है, ये परवेज का जो नंबर है ये आपको हम दिखा रहे हैं। ये व्हाट्सएप डीपी परवेज की है जिसको इस वक्त एटीएस ने उठाया हुआ है, पूछताछ कर रही है। और ये डीपी आप देखिए एक बार, और इस पे ही यहाँ पे लोगों से वो टच में रहता था, बातचीत होती थी। तो आपने जब ये समझा कि इस तरह से आतंकी नेक्सस में शाहीन का नाम पहले आया, फिर परवेज का कनेक्शन आया, फिर आप लोगों को क्या समझ में आया उसको?
हम लोग तो इस चीज़ को देखो एकदम अचंभे में, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, क्योंकि हम लोग बचपन से देख रहे हैं कि इस तरीके से मतलब नहीं, क्योंकि पूरा परिवार बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा लिखा परिवार, अच्छा कायदे का लोग कभी देखा ही नहीं, अपने काम से मतलब। मगर पुलिस
से क्या हो गया कि वो रेडिकलाइज हो गया? अगर ऐसा
नहीं, वो तो हम इसके बारे में क्या कह सकते हैं, वो जाने। अगर पुलिस जांच करेगी, अगर उसमें होगा तो वो होंगे। मुझे
ये बताइए कि जो बातें सामने आ रही हैं कि रेडिकलाइज जो है वो किया गया, या जो तमाम इस तरीके की वो गतिविधियों में संलिप्त थी, आप इतने साल साथ में रहे तब आपको ऐसा कुछ नहीं लगा?
बिल्कुल नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं था, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था। और हम लोग एक लिबरल लोग हैं, हम लोग पढ़े लिखे लोग हैं ना, सभी लोगों के बीच में हम लोग रहे हैं, कभी इस तरह कोई वैसा नहीं था हम लोगों का।
लेकिन अब जो चीज़ें सामने आ रही है, क्या इसको देख के शौक लगता है आपको कि जिसके साथ थे इतना टाइम और इस तरीके की जो चीज़ें में
शौक का कोई मतलब नहीं है, क्योंकि देखिए रिलेशन नहीं है, इमोशंस नहीं, तो शौक का कोई क्या सेंस, कोई मतलब नहीं इतना।
Time, let's take a look at these developments. As far as a special alert is concerned, this is a big story we are breaking at this hour. As far as the investigations are concerned, we have details of a special alert for a particular Red Ford EcoSport DL10CK0458. If one finds it, that's the story that we are breaking at this hour. This is the information that has been given out. And the special alert is for this particular vehicle, which is a suspected vehicle. All staff outside on patrolling are picket to be fully armed. It's a worrying situation though. There is a suspected car and staff outside on patrolling or on picket are to be fully armed. This is a special alert that has come in for interception of a particular car, and we'd like to repeat these details. Red Fort EcoSport. Shreya is getting more on that story. Shreya, all staff outside on patrolling are picket to be fully armed. Where is this car? Where rather has this car been spotted? Talk to us about the details that you have for us. How is this a suspected car now? What more can you tell us?
Well, what we are right now learning, Sneha, important details breaking in India today. This car, as of the information available right now, is also linked to the suspect of the Delhi terror blast. This is a Red Fort EcoSport, which bears the number DL10CK0458. This was registered on 22nd of November 2017. Registration was done in Rajouri Garden, Delhi, and it was registered in the name of Umar Un Nabi. Remember, this is the same person who's linked to the Delhi terror blast. This is the information that we are getting right now, and this is a special alert that has been issued for interception of all red EcoSport, especially if it comes bearing the number DL10CK0458. This is something that the Delhi police will now be looking at an urgent manhunt operation, because somewhere down the line, any possibilities could take place.
Yeah, I want to ask
is,
you,
the
information that you all have with you is that this car, Shreya, is registered in the name of Umar Un Nabi. Registration RTO is Rajouri Garden in West Delhi. Who is this man, Umar Un Nabi?
Well, as I said, Sneha, the information from Delhi police is very clear. This is linked to the same suspect of the Delhi blast. So Umar Un Nabi is the suspect of the Delhi blast who drove that I-20 car here at the Netaji Subhash Marg. And this is the same car. The red EcoSport is registered in his name. This is the information that we are getting from the RTO details. The registration has been on 22nd of November 2017. It was registered at Rajouri Garden, Delhi. The car is registered in his name, and that is the reason we see the kind of manhunt that has been launched by the Delhi police. UP and Haryana police have all been alerted. Their check posts alerted. Delhi police has also been meeting multiple car dealers. Now they need to trace this car. Where a loan car, with whom it is, all these things are right now being traced down. That is what we're learning from our special sources in the Delhi police.
You know, Shreya, I also want to get a sense of from you without, creating any sense of panic. That's not what we're trying to do here. But the fear and the concern, obviously, it is that this man is a terrorist, possibly, and is linked to the current Doctor Terror module that we are looking at. Investigating agencies are looking at, and this man is still free. So there is a bit of a concern and fear whether this car maybe could be having more explosives. Is there a possibility that the cops are looking at as well?
Well, we will not give any speculation, Sneha, but this is a situation which is a very volatile situation.
Okay.
One car blown up and there is a blast that takes place. So you cannot let a loose car alone. And that too in the name of the suspect who's basically been a part of that terror blast. So clearly this is a huge piece of information that we're learning right now. And the Delhi police, that's why, is not leaving any stone unturned to trace the red EcoSport car as you see right now.
Okay, to tell our viewers who've just joined us, Shreya, be with us. It's a special alert that is coming, and Shreya is reporting on that with the advice of interception. All red Ford EcoSport vehicles, and there's been a lot of talk with car dealers across the NCR region as well. The car number DL10CK0458 is what is now being looked at as the suspected car. The car is registered in the name of Umar Un Nabi. Registration RTO is Rajouri Garden, which happens to be in the western part of Delhi. Shreya is getting in more on that. Shreya, is this just one car, or is this unraveling even further, and we'll have more information?
Well, this is one car right now that is linked to his name, because remember, once Umar Un Nabi's investigation and background details were being verified, the Delhi police landed on this particular car. So that is the reason they are now looking at where this car is, where it is parked right now. And that's the reason the kind of manhunt operation is right now under its way. So clearly, this is a very serious situation. And as we talk, this is also something that the Delhi police has reached out to all their units. All red EcoSport cars needs to be looked at. Especially, I will repeat that car number that also has been shared with us, DL10CK0458. It's a DL10CK0458 red EcoSport car that the Delhi police is looking at.
All right, so the hunt is on, viewers, for this car that we are reporting on right now at this point in time. The background check on this man, Umar Un Nabi, is being done as well. Part, or suspected rather, to be a part of the Doctor module, and also connected to the blast that took place in Lal Killa. We have the I-20 Hyundai car that exploded, and then we have the red EcoSport car, and the hunt is on for this car. The car number DL10CK0458 is now being looked at or hunted very closely by authorities. The possibility, of course, is that it could have some links to the Doctor Terror module, and the man himself Umar un-Nabi could have some links to the Dr. Terror module. What else have you picked up, Shreya, as far as the background of this man is concerned, given that we do have a fair amount of idea of the background of all those people who've been arrested in Faridabad already?
Well, the background is that this was a terror module that consisted of at least 10 individuals, out of which at least 5 of the doctors have been identified, multiple others rounded up, being questioned. They were running a terror logistics. That's all we are right now understanding. They had managed to procure a huge amount of explosive cache of ammunition, which is 2,900 kgs. The Jammu and Kashmir police averted a larger conspiracy. Umar Mohammed, the same guy we're talking about, went missing. He was absconding during the raids when he got alerted post the first arrest that was made on the 30th of October of Muzammil, is what we are given to understand. And thereby he was absconding for a very long time. He had 5 phones, all of that when switched off. He was digitally cut off, and then subsequently the day the press conference was held about the recovery of the ammonium nitrate, this is the same spot at the Netaji Subhash Marg where he detonated that car. So right now, any car linked to him or any particular person linked to him is a person of suspect, is an object of suspect for the Delhi police. That is the reason we see this kind of manhunt that's been launched by the Delhi police.
Shreya, getting in those details for our viewers who have just joined us, we'd like to tell them about the hunt that is on for this particular red EcoSport vehicle that is being looked at for all. The advisory is for interception of all red Ford EcoSport cars. The one with the number that we are putting out for our viewers is the one that is being looked at. The hunt is on for this one particular car, DL10CK0458. Shreya, talk to us about where this vehicle was spotted, if at all, in the Delhi region. If you'd like to take our viewers through all of those details about what has made this particular vehicle, a hunted one right now, a suspect car right now.
Well, this particular car that you see, this is something that is found or linked during the verification of Umar, the verification of the suspects in this particular module, that the Delhi police have found out about this car that was also registered in the name of Umar un-Nabi. And that is the reason the Delhi police has alerted. The local police teams have been alerted. All district, all local polices have been alerted, and a manhunt has been launched. The reason so that they need to find out that whether this car is in possession of anyone else. And the reason that is, Neha, that probably that could link to other members of this module who have gone underground or in hiding. So that's the reason this car becomes an object of suspicion. We will not speculate anything because there is no information apart from that which could actually lead to a sort of fear-mongering. It is linked to a suspect is probably why it is an object of suspicion and needs to be taken as a part of a recovery and sanitized is what we do understand. It is a process of investigation that the Delhi police is following.
All right, I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Shreya getting asked those details and breaking that story for us about the special alert for interception of all red EcoSport cars. One particular one which is now being hunted as part of the investigations, and that continues to be our top focus story right here. You can find that and much more up on our website. That's indiatoday.in. You can download the app as well.